As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, the question of how artificial intelligence will impact the job market looms large. The next decade promises a profound transformation, offering both challenges and opportunities. Let's delve into how AI may not only replace certain jobs, but also create entirely new industries. Imagine a world where routine tasks such as data entry or simple customer service inquiries are handled by sophisticated algorithms. AI is already making significant strides in sectors like manufacturing, finance, and even healthcare, where robots streamline assembly lines, algorithms analyze complex financial patterns, and AI systems diagnose illnesses with remarkable accuracy. These advancements inevitably lead to the displacement of positions traditionally held by humans. However, history has shown that technology rarely eliminates jobs, rather, it transforms them. Consider the Industrial Revolution, which saw machines replace numerous manual labor tasks. It was a period marked by the rise of new roles that no one could have predicted. Similarly, AI is poised to create jobs that harness our uniquely human capabilities. Fields such as AI ethics, machine learning training, and robotic maintenance are likely to flourish. As AI systems evolve, they will require human oversight to ensure ethical guidelines are met and algorithms are unbiased. Education and reskilling will play a pivotal role in this transition. As AI continues its relentless march forward, the demand for skilled professionals in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics will grow exponentially. Educational institutions and policymakers must adapt, emphasizing these areas to equip the workforce with the necessary skills to thrive in an AI-driven economy. Moreover, AI's influence will extend beyond traditional job sectors. Creative industries are set to experience a renaissance, with AI serving as a collaborator rather than a competitor. Artists, writers, and musicians can use AI tools to enhance their creative processes, exploring new avenues of artistic expression that were previously unimaginable. This symbiotic relationship could lead to a creative explosion, spawning new genres and industries centered around human-AI collaboration. Yet we must remain vigilant. The integration of AI into the workforce poses ethical and socioeconomic challenges. Income disparities may widen as low-skilled jobs decline, prompting urgent discussions on policies like universal basic income or tax incentives for companies that retrain workers. The pace of technological change requires proactive governance, ensuring that the benefits of AI are distributed equitably across society. In this context, collaboration between government, industry, and academia will be crucial. Together, they can shape policies and frameworks that encourage innovation while safeguarding workers. A forward-thinking approach is needed to anticipate AI's impact, ensuring that we navigate this transition smoothly and inclusively. In conclusion, the next decade will undoubtedly be transformative. AI is not simply an agent of change, but a catalyst for growth and innovation. While it will replace certain jobs, it will also create unimaginable opportunities. By embracing this evolution, investing in education, and fostering ethical standards, we can harness the power of AI to build a future that benefits all. As we chart this new course, let us do so with foresight, responsibility, and optimism, welcoming the challenges and the promise that AI brings to work and society at large.